Hello and welcome. My name is Ash and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ash Knows Travel, where we go over everything travel. And today we are doing a live advisor training for CapCut. Now, you're going to notice that my training is a little different today, and you probably even no time exaggerate. Listen, you do not go live directly from your phone. I have this the hard way. So this is from my phone. This is sort of like a pre-planned situation, given that it's a little bit more complicated. But I want to show you guys exactly how I make my cat videos, the ones that you guys always ask me about. It's on my phone. I don't do this on the computer. When you're on a computer and you use CapCut, it's very limited on what you can do and save. And it's just so complicated. So I figured, let me just be easier and do this from my phone. You can't necessarily just go straight live from there, and that's okay. We're going to the old school way, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do for CapCut videos, for Reels. And so I have a version of CapCut. Today, I'm also going to use the TikTok Studio, and I'm also going to use ChatGPT. So all of these are free. You guys can put them apps on your phone, and it makes it really easy to make videos on. So right off the bat, you guys can see I'm on the edit screen. Shows you your old videos and just different things that you can use. Most of the features in here are for the standard version. It's like where you have to pay. So I don't really use any of these. I'm just going to show you what I use for, which is the auto cut left-hand side, and they also use it to just take video from. So there we get the actual video. That's the next part. So after you guys see this, this is just basics, okay? Where you really want to go is the next tab over, which is the templates. So we have videos. These videos, of course, they're going to have sound on them, but I'm not going to play the whole video out with the sound because YouTube does not like that. So if you guys see me stopping it, it's just so the sound doesn't play, okay? So when I'm in this template section, I will go into search, and I have several searches here. Italy, girl on vacation, work from home. I use it for team building sometimes. People travel, work life, falls, and girl on vacation, okay? I also have different suggestions that you guys can look up. But I will go in and I will get like, let's do, I made an Italy video earlier, so I can't do that one. Let's go in and do, what's coming up, like Labor Day, winter. So we need something tropical. I'm trying to think now. Where do I want to go? Y'all want to do like just you want to do another Italy video? I think they were going to do another Italy video. Let's do another one. Probably one of my favorite ones to do. Oh, you know what we could do? Greece. We'll do Greece. Okay. So Greece, kind of the same, but you know, we're going to give it a little bit different topic here. We're going to just type in Greece. You can do any of these if you want, but I'm just going to do Greece general. And then you're going to wait for the videos to load, and they're going to give you different ones. When you're picking these videos, try to get the ones without the least amount of words, because we have to edit them. So don't make it harder on yourself. Okay, this one's 31 seconds. That's perfect. Now, you're not going to go in here and use the template. If you click use template, you have to use your own videos. We don't want to do that. We want to save this video. So we're going to hit the 3 dots in this corner right here. I know my little thing's in the way, but hit 3 dots right here. Click save video. I try to save at least 3 or 4 of them. Okay, that's one. Perfect. This one is 11 seconds. That's fine. We're going to save that video. We're going to take another one. Perfect. All right, so that's roughly about a minute long between those. This one's 24, the other one's 30. That's perfect. So I have 3 videos now. So I saved them to my phone. That's how they're saved. It's just those 3 dots, and you hit save video. Okay. Now I will come back into here. We are now still in CapCut. I'm going back out of the search, and in the top left corner, do you guys see where it says auto cut? Click on that. And then you're going to select the 3 videos that you want. So I have this guy. That one kind of dark, so let's start off with the lighter one. Like this. And then it's going to fix these 3 videos by the auto cut button. Now you can technically tell it what you want, but honestly, I'm so Nope. let's make this a little bit easier on ourselves here real quick. Okay. Before we do that, let's go in here and go to our photos real quick and let's get rid of this. We're going to have a problem. It's not going to look pretty. So okay. It's not going to all of this. Okay. So before we go in and hit the auto cut button, which is our next step, we're going to edit the actual videos on our phone. And the reason we're going to edit them is because we need to remove the CapCut on there, which is on the top right. And we also need to move the word at the beginning of it. So if we don't, it's going to show up in the video, and that's kind of annoying. So let me go in here, edit this out, get rid of that, and then click on it. Okay. Hit crop it just a little bit. Get rid of that. Save video. All right, move to the next one. It's fine. Crop it. Okay. This one, and it's right about there. Okay. Crop it as well. Did I already crop it? No. All right. Now, save video. Okay. So now the 3 videos are good. Now go back into CapCut, hit auto cut, and then just click them. Okay. Next 3 videos. Now, it's going to go in and it's going to make it look cute. And it's going to make a little video for us that we get to use.
It's a beautiful day to be with you.
Okay, not bad. We can just fast forward it. Oh, yeah, this is perfect. This is a perfect video. Now, you're going to notice that CapCut in the top right corner, that you will still have to remove. But if you don't remove the CapCuts in advance, it's going to have CapCut everywhere it goes. So this way I can just crop it one more final time once it exports. And that lady walking down the stairs, beautiful. And it's 29 seconds. Oh, okay. This is a perfect video. All right. Let's get rid of it. Or not get rid of it. Let's download it. So hit export at the top right. Hit save to device. Let it download. All right. And then it gives you the option to share to TikTok. But since we saved it to the device, it's going to give us that CapCut in the top right corner. But I need to edit it one more time and put some words and change the music so it doesn't violate TikTok policies. So now we're going to hop over to TikTok Studio. And we're going to click on it like this. We're in TikTok Studio now, and it's going to say upload. The video already put together.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
I can't talk to you while it's going. But when I'm going to back out in the top right corner, the second option is where we're going.
It's a beautiful.
We're going to edit the video now, okay? So the words are fine, but we need to zoom in just a little bit to get rid of that other CapCut part. Now we're going to make a quick video about going to Greece, shall we? These are all little things. All right, so now let's go over ChatGPT. Well, this is from my one from earlier. Let's go, just give me a fresh guy. All right, so I'm making a short video for TikTok on Greece. Can you give me a good on-screen, this is what it's called, caption, and add emojis to it? They like that. And make sure to have a call to action at the end. All right. Waking up in a postcard. Okay. I like that, but let's add a POV at the beginning of it. Add a background to it, always, because they won't be able to see it. And then you're also going to add in something.
It's a beautiful day.
Yep. Okay, now let me get rid of this music because we're not going to use it. How to get rid of it, you just hit that this button here. Okay. So I'm going to make it at least 4 seconds long because you have to keep in mind they have to be able to read it. So perfect. Okay. Flip to where history meets beauty. That's cute. Don't spend too much time on this, guys. You see how I'm just letting everyone do this for me? This shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes once you start getting really good at it. I could sit here on my phone and I just kind of make these as I'm watching TV. And I normally like to make them like 3 or 4 days out. So I just have them all lined up together. And they kind of get addicting because it's really easy to make them. You could see. I'm just selling people on Greece here. No, there we go. Okay, that's fine. All right, you want to make sure it has beautiful that. Okay, and then add text. We have, oh, there's so many of them. Let's do one more, and then we're going to add our call to action because they make it really long. A little bit of space, paste, color, and obviously this. Okay, leading up to the lady, walking. Okay, let's add Grease to your bucket list now. Nice. Call to action. Let's do bucket list there. Dun, dun, dun. Perfect. It's like we're yelling at them. Love that. Okay. Then you're going to come in here and get the last part, which is the call to action. And I really like the comment grease because one, it gives me engagement, and then two, it also gives them. I don't want to do two call to actions. It's confusing, but it gives them the ability to engage with me, and it will also give them the availability to help my engagement in general. Comment grease. Okay, and then I'm gonna add another call to action. Oh my goodness, it's so long. Okay, we're gonna have to space it out. It's okay. Just put this up in here. See how you gotta be fixing stuff. Add one more. Yeah, I like this with a reserve your spot. Yeah. Make sure it's right above. You can see where the placement is. Make sure it's above the your thing. And then I'm going to start it just a little bit less, or like that. Okay. And then you make a mistake like I did and make the video too short or the words not short, just make the words longer. They're looking at the photos, they're not looking just at the words. Okay. All right. Now, this is what it looks like without music. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. All right. Now, After I would get done with this, I would add music and I would also add stickers. The music, I get that from ChatGPT. I ask them what's the most viral trending music right now, and I use it. The stickers are on the editing screen under here. I use these stickers as an overview, so I'll do like something like this. I like this one a lot. I do this one all the time. I'll slap it right at the bottom like that, and I'll have them go throughout the video. Okay. Then after that, if you hit the next button, you can technically save it or post it or schedule it on TikTok. I have my TikTok studio set up to every time I post on TikTok or schedule on TikTok, it automatically saves the video to my phone. It's a part of the let's see. Yeah, here. You can schedule the post in TikTok studio and then at the bottom save to your device. So as soon as I hit schedule, it'll save it. And then you can even edit the cover in here and the description. You can only have 5 hashtags now. That's a new thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's what I do for my videos. And I do this over and over. So I go back to CapCut and just search something else. You can even make the same videos a few times. Like in the past, I've done this guy.
I could give you everything. Waiting for you, waiting for you.
Okay. You can actually just find them all on my TikTok. Honestly, I do a lot of different ones. And I also like to do Italy ones. Where's my Italy one? I just made one for Italy here. Okay. So I just play around with it. I upload videos, I auto cut them, remove the cap cuts off of them, and then play around with them in the TikTok studio, upload them again, and then I share all the way across platforms. But that's what I do. That's how I do TikTok and CapCut and just make videos out of CapCut. You don't have to pay for any of it. It's free. These videos, you are auto cutting them and then you're adding words on them and you're making music that's different from CapCut on it inside TikTok. So guess what this is? Creative edits. So you're not stealing anything because you're editing it. So as long as you make an edit to it by adding a sticker, changing the music, changing the video, the way it's set up, the order it goes in, that's considered a creative edit. And so you're not violating any policies. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to show you guys today. Thank you so much for attending. Next week, we are covering a lot of different things. I have to pull it up on my laptop because I don't remember off the top of my head, but let's see here. Next week, we're going to do some different things too than what I normally do because we also have convention next week. So I will be double teaming trainings and presentations, but I will be here for objective marketing and closing the sale, how to price compare and backs. Ooh, that's a good one. And then marketing deals on your Evo site. That's coming next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at the exact same time. I will be live then at 10 a.m. PST. So make sure you guys come back here to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I appreciate all the support and the love, and I will see you guys next week.